Roaches. Everybody hates them. They're disgusting to look at and a source of allergens in the home, both their feces and their body parts. And whether you know it or not, they may be infesting your home. That's right, infesting. Because the few roaches you see and kill are just the tip of the iceberg. So what's the answer? Pay an exterminator? No. There's a better way. Destroy insects yourself at a fraction of the cost with Bengal Roach Spray. Bengal knows that spraying a single roach does nothing but kill one insect. Instead, Bengal Roach Spray goes to the source, penetrating deep into cracks and hidden areas where they hide, and wiping out the whole population. And unlike competing products, it's a dry spray, so it leaves no residue. Bengal Roach Spray comes in a variety of sizes, and it's guaranteed to work or you get your money back. No mess, no odor, no roaches. Bengal's been around for over 35 years. They're the authority on residential pest control. Read and follow directions on the can. Always insert attached extension tube and use Bengal as a crack and crevice spray. Spraying in kitchen and bathrooms, under sinks, around pipes, under and behind appliances, behind baseboards and around doors and windows, and anywhere roaches have been seen. Roaches will come running out of hiding and die, where they are easily swept up and discarded. Bengal does not kill instantly, however, it does kill them all. And the dry spray leaves no mess, no odor, and no roaches. Guaranteed. Or your money back. Available in multiple sizes.